Hello and welcome back, folks. My name is Doyle Brasnell, and I'm a sales executive at Jaguar Windsor. I would like to introduce you to the all-new 2021 Jaguar F Pace. For some people, life isn't about blending in, it's about standing out. And if you're looking to distinguish yourself in the company parking lot, but still need a practical solution to get the kids to dance, or maybe hockey, maybe you need the room because this year you plan on winning the club championship. But a two-door sports car, it's not gonna get this job done. Allow me to introduce the 2021 F Pace. With a more refined interior and an aggressive exterior, it's sure to make it to the top of your short list. The F Pace is known as the ultimate practical sports car. It is the leading SUV in performance, ride, and handling. It is instantly recognizable for its sporty shape, assertive stance, and that ride never lets you forget, yeah, I'm driving a Jag. The new Cricket Ball Drive Selector has replaced the iconic rotary dial. With this change, engineers at Jaguar have maximized space by making larger storage compartments equipped with wireless phone chargers and a signal booster, an 11.4 definition touchscreen. And hey, if you want, we can build it with heated massage seats because we understand that sitting through a 7 a.m. hockey practice or a long day at the links can do a number at your back. And not to mention, you deserve it. Now, for a few features that are standard, you get ambient lighting, allowing you to pick from 10 different color choices to accentuate your style or mood. That's right, you get mood lighting in your car. All models are now equipped with auto-dimming rearview mirrors to reduce glare from following vehicles. And with its 8-speed automatic transmission that is responsive, smooth, and efficient, you're going to get a lot of use of that auto-dimming feature. And before I forget, every new Jaguar is equipped with a start-stop feature, but you can turn it on or turn it off with just a touch of a button. With our Jaguar InControl app, you can start your vehicle, set your desired target temperature, and with the built-in GPS, you will always know where your vehicle is when your teens tell you they're just going to the mall. With Jaguar's competitive leasing and financing options, your dream car is just a call away. Come on down to Jaguar Windsor and let us show you what your new normal looks like. Thank you.